Car crash physics.
Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for another one of our frequently asked questions. I'm Bill Adler, and today we'll be talking about car crash physics and how specific personal injuries can occur in a crash depending upon the transfer of energy.
Although advancements in motor vehicles have improved safety and undoubtedly prevented many injuries and deaths, our Texas car accident lawyers know that technology cannot get around the basic laws of physics. Statistics support this notion. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, each year there are almost 39,000 fatalities and approximately 2.8 million injuries in traffic accidents occurring throughout the United States, including right here in Texas. Despite these wonderful advancements in safety technology, as you can see from the shocking statistics, people are still seriously injured or wrongfully killed in motor vehicle accidents. When this happens, our experienced personal injury lawyers at Jim Adler & Associates can help victims and their families obtain compensation for their pain and suffering, medical bills, lost wages, and other damages caused by a negligent motorist under the law. To obtain this compensation for victims and their families, our motor vehicle accident lawyers have become experts in the laws of physics too. Understanding car crash physics can help understand how specific personal injuries can occur in an accident. It is all about energy and the transfer of energy. When one vehicle hits another, that energy gets dispersed into the vehicle and the occupants. That energy can be damaging to the human body, causing injury. Generally, the greater the energy, the greater the injuries. As it relates to creating that energy, a vehicle generates that energy through momentum. Momentum is based on a vehicle's velocity multiplied by its mass, which we can simplify to speed and weight for our purposes in a car crash. Based on this equation, the greater the speed, the greater the momentum. High-speed collisions are often more devastating than low-speed collisions because the momentum is greater. However, a low-speed collision could still be catastrophic if the weight of the vehicle was heavier, like a large commercial vehicle such as a big rig, box truck, semi-tractor trailer, construction vehicle, bus, or another type of 18-wheeler or truck. This is because a truck will have more significant momentum than a car moving at the same speed because of the truck's much greater weight. For example, the average car weighs around 4,000 pounds, and the average commercial truck weighs up to 80,000 pounds when fully loaded and 35,000 pounds when empty. That means an empty truck moving at 5 miles an hour will have roughly the same momentum as a car traveling at 44 miles per hour. That big difference highlights that trucking accidents are significantly more dangerous, especially on highways and freeways, than in smaller passenger vehicles. All of that momentum in a collision is passed directly to occupants, which can crush bone, damage internal organs, and cause wrongful death.
If you or a loved one were seriously injured, or if a loved one was wrongfully killed in a motor vehicle crash in Texas, please call our car accident lawyers at Jim Adler & Associates to schedule a free consultation and to learn more about how we can help you or your family. You can also reach us through our website, jimadler.com. Our number is 800-567-7575.